Welcome to God's Homeschooling Mom. Thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for all those who are returning and for all the newbies. If you would, please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the content that I do put out. So I had shared previously on a video all the curriculum that we are going to be doing this year. And so today I wanted to share with you math. We had a turnaround on math. I had shared that we were going to try out the good and the beautiful math this year, and I ended up not doing that. I ended up finding something else I wanted to try on Amazon that I found, and it's called Argoprep. We have a few different grades. I have 5, 6, and 7 here that we are going through. One of them, a couple of them for a review, and then one of them for a new. So I had shared that we were going to do something different. So I wanted to update you guys on what we were trying out and how it's working with us. I'm going to give you guys a look inside of each one of these also, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. But what I wanted to share with you guys is that it is not what it makes it out to be. They make it out to be easy. It has videos. It has on the front here that it has free video explanations. Guys, it does not. I should have really checked the reviews on this. It had stars review. It seemed like it was going to be good. I'm glad that I'm making this video to show you guys really what it looks like and how it is. I would say the downfall of this is the video. They have a thing that you can scan on the inside and on the back for the video explanation, guys, and they have a website on there saying if it doesn't work, you can go to this website. Well, let me say, neither of them work, guys. There is no video explanation anywhere that I have found, and I have looked everywhere. They also do not have the answers in the back of the book. A lot of them come with answers in the back. It does not have the answers in the back, but it does have a link that you can go to, and thank the Lord that this link actually does work as far as the answer key. You do have to download it, and it takes a little bit to find it, but it is on there. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like inside of grade 7. We have grade 5, and I got grade 6, and then how many days it is, and what it all kind of looks like. I would say for this math, besides the video explanations, which is one reason why I did get this, because I wanted my kids to be able to watch the video and if they needed to, and do the work on their own. And that way they wouldn't need my help as much, that the video can explain it and I'm here to help them if they need it. So that kind of was a downfall. The videos did not work. I am having to sit there and make sure my kids understand the new concepts that they're learning every day and making sure they get it. But I will say it is pretty easy. They make it easy to explain and understand, so it's not really that difficult. Pretty quick studies. They have several pages if you want to go over a chapter a day or a lesson a day. I would say it could be 10 pages, but really in all reality there's only maybe 3 problems on a page. So, and a lot of them are multiple choice, and a lot of them, some of them say you got to show your work. So it's not really difficult, but it just made it a little bit more difficult. The fact that the barcode and the website did not really have what it linked to as far as the video preps for each lesson. So if you have used this, please comment in the comments below and let me know what your thoughts on it was, and if you were able to find the videos, because I went to exactly what it said and nothing would pull up on multiple places. So please let me know what you think. But I did like it overall. Only downfall that I would say is it didn't have the videos. So but it is pretty laid out easily. One good benefit is that we have, you know, the answers to it, and we were able to save and download those so we can quickly be able to find those. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a look inside, and then you guys can kind of just see what it looks like and the benefits of it. Okay, so we're going to take a look inside. We got 5, 6, and 7 right here. We're going to look inside one at a time. It shows on the front the topics that are covered on each of these. So let's take a look at grade 5. Okay, so this is grade 5. Shows other books that they have, the table of contents. So it shows right here, chapter 1, you're going to have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So right there you got pretty much 3 whole lessons. But what I found flipping through here, guys, is some of these has a 3.1a, 3.1 B, 3.1C. So actually you get a lot more lessons in this if you want your kid to do one of these a day. So I would guess maybe around 10 extra lessons. So right here you got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 maybe if you have them do one whole one a day, and if you add 10 more onto that, I would say this has around 26 to 30 lessons in it if you have them do one whole one a day. So here is a QR code you can scan, or if it doesn't work, you can type in the website to go where you can find the videos that explains it. So in this chapter, these are the 3 that you're going to find, and the page numbers. So after each one you do, they'll show you. Okay, so look right here. You have one that is a 1.1a. So you got 1 page, 2 page, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. So if your kid does one of these a day, they will have 8 pages. But in all reality, guys, that's only 15 problems. 15 problems, and they're not really, I mean, a lot of these are multiple choices. It says to show your work, how you figured it out, but it's not really hard. So I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, this right here has 15 problems a day. So let's check the next one out. So you're still on 1.1b. So you were on A, now you're on B. So this is not counted in the front. It doesn't show you the A, B, C, D's. It just shows you 1.1 and 1.2. So you get a lot of extra lessons in what it's listed. So let's see, 1, 2 pages are explaining it, and then it starts have you do the practice problems of what you learned. So 2 pages of learning there, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, you got 8 problems, 12 problems. So 15 problems again. So a couple pages of learning, and then 15 problems. And then it moves on to 1.2 on this one. So we got an extra lesson on that one. So let's check this one out. Looks like you're learning, and then partly learning on this page, and then it starts doing the problems. So let's see if we have 15 problems again. So if you have your kid do one of these a day, I would say in a month you would have this book done. It only lists, let's see, 15 problems. Yep, so 1.3. So it only lists about 16 up front, but as I said, if you go through and you count in the A's and B's, those are full days also. So let's see if we have any. Oh, see right there, you have an A at the top of the page. So you got E. This one, that one went to an E. So you got A, B, C, D, E. So you got a lot of extra lessons in there. So, and then they'll have little assessments at the end, the chapter test for what you learned over that whole chapter to make sure you're comprehending. One thing too about this, guys, it does not have the answers in the back. You have to go to the website that they have listed. So let's see here. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, so they get a certificate for completing it. Let's see. So you got a mixed assessment here. Okay, so right here, answers. You can find the detailed video explanations of each problem in the book by visiting here. And then you have the QR code. So you're going to need to go through these websites and look up if you need answers. To see the answers, the answer key to the entire workbook, you can easily download the answer key from our website. So you go to the website, it just tells you all the steps that you need and the QR code. So that's grade 5. Let's take a look at grade 6 in comparison. So let's go to the front and see kind of how many lessons they have listed. As I said, okay, a lot more lessons listed. As I said in the last one, they do not list the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or whatever all that you have extra. So you got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then your mixed assessment, that could take several days. So 25 actual lessons. I would say add on another 10 to that for sure. So I would say around 35 lessons. So a little more lessons at least. You would have to probably break up the mixed assessment at the end because that's quite long. So this one here, you will have more in it for grade 6. So you got your QR code right there. So here's the beginning. Let's check out how many days for the problems that they have. So right here, they're getting introduced to ratios. Okay, so 2 days is learning, 2 pages of learning there. And then, let's see, 4, 8 problems, 13, I think they got to 20. Nope, 15 in this one. Let's see if the next one has 15 problems. 10, 15. Okay, so you got 15 problems in this book also. So, and then here is everything that you will learn that's covered in this book. Here's the 5th one. So grade 5, you got these. Grade 6, so same type of layout. Grade 7, I believe this is where it jumps to 20 problems. Okay, let's take a look. Let's look at how many days it, quite a few here again. All right, we got 8 problems, 14, 20. So yep, 20 problems. So it jumps up to 20 problems a day after you have a couple pages of going over what it is that you're learning on. So let's check the next one. 5, 11, 17. Let's see if it goes to 20. Yep. Okay, 20. All right. So yep. That's not a long ordeal. A lot of these are, look at this, multiple choices. Let's look back and see. So you got multiple choice. So guys, this isn't gonna be a long as normal math curriculums are. I would say this for sure is not a year's worth. Obviously, we went over if you have a kid do a day, 1.1 a day, one of those a day, even though they're like maybe 10 pages. When they're multiple choice like that and it's not a lot, and this is more of making sure that they understand these main topics here and get them nailed down. This is more of a practice deal, as it says it's 600 questions. So to be sure, maybe if you want to get this, let's say your kid's going to be in 6th grade, maybe you want to get 5th grade to start at the beginning of the year as a refresher, to make sure that they did get these nailed down and understand. They can go over the videos, and then maybe you can do your math curriculum, whatever one you have, and then have them go over grade 6, or you can do 5, then do 6, and then do your math curriculum. So as I said, this is not a year worth curriculum. This is something as they are introducing whatever these are and making sure that you got them well known and good practice questions to make sure that you are refreshed and know what you need to know for that grade. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. And again, let me know in the comments below what you think about this and if you're going to try it, or if you have tried it, and if you were able to find any ways of the videos explaining it or not. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.